I got mail today. So my next book should be in this package. It is the first one, if I can get it open, it is the first one that has come off the printer. So let's take a look at what it looks like. Oh, and there it is. Look at that. So let's travel the world, a travel guide and tips for the 21st century. So, and my graphic team designers, they did some amazing interior work. I'm so excited to read this. So I get to read it before like I hit publish to all the bookstores in probably the next 24, 48 hours. And it's got the charts and the breakdowns in here about traveling and how to book cheaper tickets and all the tips you need to know. So I will drop a link to them below so you can pre-order these now, and they'll be available here in the next few months. I'm gonna start sending them tuned to watch what's coming up.